Boom! What's up, everyone? I'm kind of in the mood for baking today. So, I baked a little something for YouTube. It comes in a little bag, and it's frozen, so you have to cook it. This beautiful stuff. Gorgeous. It's really good. You guys should try it out. So like this video is just like to tell you guys what my videos will be about. So most of my videos will be about like baking and arts, crafts, and all that stuff. And some of my videos will just be reacting to some other YouTubers to see what they do and to react to them and like my story stuff and all of that. Also, go check out Aziland's videos and Gloom's videos. And definitely check out Brent's videos. Just type in Brent and then his name will pop up. And definitely go watch those videos. So, well, after my videos, of course. And so, yeah. So, I will see you guys in my next video, okay? See ya.